In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coffee cup icon in Figma. First, sign into your Figma account and open the project or file where you want the coffee cup icon to live. Make sure you're in the editor so you can work directly on the canvas. Take a quick look at your layout or frame so you know roughly where the icon should go and what size will feel balanced with the rest of your design. Now let's add the icon using Figma's resources. Press Shift+I on your keyboard to open the resources panel. In the search bar, type coffee cup and wait a moment for the results to load. You'll see a variety of options from outline styles to filled shapes. Pick one that matches your visual style. Click the icon you like, then press Insert in the bottom right corner of the panel. The icon will appear on your canvas, usually as a vector or a component, depending on its source. With the icon selected, move it into position by clicking and dragging. If you need fine control, nudge with your arrow keys. To resize, drag a corner handle. Holding Shift helps keep proportions consistent. Check the right-hand Properties panel while the icon is selected. This panel shows you size, rotation, constraints, and other useful controls. If your icon arrived as a component, you can still adjust its appearance. Many community components expose editable properties, and vectors can be edited directly. Next, let's change the outline color. Keep the icon selected and look for the Selection Colors section on the right panel. You'll see one or more color swatches that represent the colors used in the selected layers. Click the swatch you want to change. A small color panel will pop up. Switch to the Custom tab to open the full color picker. From here, choose your new color by entering a hex value, dragging the hue slider, or adjusting opacity. Figma applies the change to all strokes or fills that share that swatch, which is great for updating an entire icon at once. If you see multiple swatches, repeat the process for each one until the icon matches your brand or palette. And that's it. You've logged in, placed the coffee cup icon using resources, positioned and resized it on the canvas, and updated its outline color through Selection Colors and the Custom Color Picker. Give your file a quick save to keep everything in place. You now have a clean, customizable coffee cup icon ready to use across your frames and components.